This is better than Denny's. Ooh. Yes. Got the coffee too. So we're just having a lazy day. I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance on the van. Once I'm done with this, head out to camp and just kind of start working on stuff.
How much do you pay for rent in Jackson?
$0.
Wow, what a concept. What are we doing today?
So after I bang my head on that, moving the cabinets and semi-permanently mounting the diesel heater right behind it.
It's gonna be permanent. We're gonna drill holes in his floor, his perfect little floor, so he could have reliable heat all winter long.
Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just no weed. Running out the way to be sliding. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she sliding. Tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit on. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that.
That's right, we permanently installed a portable diesel heater into Gurjang's van because moving into the winter season, there's just gonna be a lot of snow on the ground. I said, you're not gonna wanna set that up every single night when you need it. We drilled a hole in his ground, in the floor of his van, and now he just has to press a button and he has heat, on-demand heat, whenever he hops in the van for the night. So I've just been dialing in this diesel heater from Brearo, and I had the muffler somewhere. I lost it. It's somewhere in the van. That's what happens when I clean. Things go missing really quick. I was gonna mount that right there. They don't recommend it having too much of a bend in the exhaust, but for now, I think that'll be just fine. I put this bigger hose on here with the step up from like a 3-inch to a 4-inch or whatever, I don't know. And I found this really flimsy hose at Ace Hardware. The original hose that came with it is definitely the one you want to use. Also, I stole these 2x4s from Gurjang because we mounted his inside his van. I am just setting this up so it'll be a plug and play for when I need it, or if I have any other friends that need it as well, because it's getting cold out here and no one needs to be freezing in their car or in their van. So I'm gonna have this all set up just in case anyone needs to use it for a night, for a week, hell, until they get one. So there's always gonna be a backup backup just in case. Who knows, even mine could go out and I'll be totally screwed for like a week while I wait for another one to come in. It's always nice to have a backup. I have a lot of backup tools and other things throughout the van. We'll get into what tools I carry here in a couple days, since I got to go back to work tomorrow. It won't be tomorrow's episode or the next day or the next day or the next day. Sometime next week, we're gonna go and we're gonna have a deep dive in the tools that I carry while living in my Vanagon full time and being on the road. If you need something, you don't want to have to run to the parts store or order something online. That's just a hassle. It's nice to have everything you need when you need it. But for that video, I'm gonna spread everything out and go in depth with pretty much everything that I have. There's a lot. I've got a lot of spare parts, way more than I really need, but like I said, when you need it, you need it. So look for that video sometime next week. I'm gonna have fun with it. I'll make it super interesting to watch. Probably talk a lot of smack about Vanagons, because that's really easy to do. While we're on the topic of diesel heaters, I'd like to show you this that I just got. It's a Uniworks design vent for the original heater that goes under the bench seat here. But this one is all vented off and it has a hole for that diesel heater vent. So if you mount your diesel heater under your seat, this is your solution. Now you can see mine doesn't look the best. I just have the hose routed through there. I had a wood block off plate in here, but I kicked it enough times and now it's gone. I'm gonna install this right now. Here's what I had holding in the hose before. Not the best. This is much better. Man, I wish all installs were that easy and went that smoothly. It took me maybe 15 minutes, probably 10 minutes, and I didn't even turn off the diesel heater because it's like 20 degrees. Oh, look, 23 degrees outside. I was close. And there's a winter weather advisory in effect right now, so we might get some snow. So I parked a little close to work tonight because I don't want to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning to some really icy, snowy roads. You never know what it's gonna be. I have learned not to trust the forecast for Northwest Wyoming. It's a lie. It's all a lie. Like, worse than the usual forecast for other places. Anyway, I have a few other bits and pieces to install from Uniworks Design. Go check them out. Really good company, and they make some quality parts. I've got a few goodies that I'll be installing within this week, and I'm super excited about it. It's gonna brighten up this living area a little bit and give me a few places to charge my phone and other stuff. Go check them out. I'll leave the link in the description below, like always, and I will see you guys tomorrow.